Hey, what's up guys? So I'm literally about to go upstairs to buy the iPhone 13 Pro. Super excited. Let's go. So everywhere I've checked, every store, the iPhone 13 Pro is being out of stock. So I was super surprised to see it in stock the other day. So this is it. No, I'm buying it. So every store I've been to, the iPhone 13 Pro has been out of stock. For example, that store. And this is the store I finally found it in. Way back in there, where no one can see it. That's probably why it hasn't been sold yet. Hey guys, I got it. It's right in here. I don't know what to say. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. Let's peel. It's so beautiful! Oh my goodness. So here's the iPhone 13 Pro. Sierra Blue. Already getting fingerprints. How does it smell? It smells weird. Okay, it doesn't smell good. Okay. Here's the peel. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Bye-bye. Oh, I also got the silicone case in the Blue Jay color. Yeah, looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna go set this up.